Welcome to Freedom Motors, the #1 innovator of the rear entry SUV and minivan, meticulously and carefully developed since 1987. Our design has proven to not only be the most versatile with the biggest selection of vehicles, largest ramps on the market, and seating configurations available, but also the most reliable and convenient with the use of commercial grade steel with a 25-year lifespan and the ability to park anywhere without the fear of ever being blocked in again. For example, our Kia Soul, we have a 32-inch automatic and spring-loaded manual ramp option. This one we've installed a power transfer seat for our self-drivers for ease and safety of transferring in the comfort of your vehicle. Our revolutionary deep floor Kia Soul offers 54.5 inches of headroom and has room for a friend. These vehicles are crafted in our 200,000 square foot manufacture on our 20-acre campus right here in the heart of Michigan, on site, delivered directly to you without the middleman markup. We make selecting the perfect vehicle simple with our knowledgeable mobility specialists, our complimentary live virtual demonstrations, and we will fly you in to try before you buy on our dime. Freedom Motors, the freedom to choose, freedom your way.